It's Tip Tuesday, and today I'm going to talk about the best time to book a solo cruise deal. Now, this is a topic that I've covered before, but this is one that it never hurts to repeat. Now, the number one way to book the best cruise deal is always going to be to book early, to book 1 to 2 years out. Why? Especially when new itineraries are released. This is because this is likely to be when the fares are the lowest. And if not, depending on the cruise line, you can take advantage of that price drop. So it never hurts to book early. Also, with booking early, you have the widest access cabin availability. So as soon as cabins open up, then you have access to everything, especially if you're looking to book a solo cabin. Next, you want to watch out for wave season, which is typically the first 3 months of the year. Now, I'll admit this wasn't as good as the prior year before, but typically that's when cruise lines have their biggest promotions. So still keep that on your list as a thing to look out for to find the best cruise deal. Now, I'm going to put these together: shoulder season and repositioning cruises. Good times to book are before and after big seasons like spring break, like holiday seasons. Those are great times to find good deals right before and right after. Also, repositioning cruises, and that's when your cruise ships are transitioning from one region to another. Typically long crossings across the Atlantic or Pacific Ocean, moving from one region to another. Those are great times for low fares, especially for solo cruising. Another great time for solo cruise deals is just solo specific sales. For this, watch out for cruise lines' individual deals. Sign up for their newsletters, sign up for travel agents or travel advisor newsletters as well. A lot of times, all of these will have listings of solo cruise deals when they come about, especially your cruise lines and especially travel advisors who specialize in solo cruise traveling. Me. But yes, a lot of times cruise lines will have solo cruise deals. This may be based on inventory, maybe a sailing that has not sold out, and they're looking to book as many cabins as they can. So they will open it up to solo cruisers and have, special deals for them to book as well. So you want to watch out for those deals. And also, these deals may be on unpopular sailings. So maybe the sailing is not as popular, maybe it's not the Caribbean, but if you want to get on the ship, hey, there's a deal for you. Timing matters more than anything when you're sailing solo. The right week and even sometimes the right day can save you hundreds of dollars.
I'm Sig the Solo Cruiser. Follow me for more solo cruising tips.